Hey everybody, happy Thursday. We've got a cool subscriber feedback this week. Michael, who submitted recently the whiskey commercial, and he was looking for specific feedback about it, he took that feedback, joined the Booth Buddies, and then submitted again. If any of you would like to submit more than once, you are welcome to as well. But Michael's the first that we've had that took advantage of it in this way, and it's an interesting thing. So what we'll do is take a listen to the old version, and then we'll listen to the new version and do sort of an A-B back and forth, talk about what's working, what's different, things that he's done well from the notes that we offered up, and things that might still be points for improvement down the road. If you want to submit a sample for feedback, there's a form in the description. You can submit for free. Right now there's a 1 to 2 month waiting period. And if you want to, like Michael, submit more than once and or jump the queue, get feedback right away or more quickly, you can join the Booth Buddies, supports these efforts. And then of course, there's coaching on my website. So let's take a listen to the old version first, and then we'll listen to the new version. I'll stop and start in the phrases here and there, and then maybe we'll listen to the full spot after a time.
Come a little closer now. Fuse whiskey, it's more than a drink. It's a moment meant to be savored nice and slow. Come a little bit closer now. Fuse whiskey, it's more than a drink. It's a moment meant to be savored nice and slow.
Okay. So already, one of the big notes that we had for Michael, and it's interesting because I've kind of gone back and forth because the two spots feel in so different worlds. Like this could be the same read, but just different versions of it, if that makes sense. Like one, hey, let's do one that's like a really laid back version and one that's a little bit more high energy. So that's a really cool articulation between the two. Let's listen to a little bit more and then we'll dig in deeper.
Born from journeys far and wide, every drop carries a story. Warm, deep, and smooth as a midnight breeze on a southern summer night. Born from journeys far and wide, every drop carries a story. Warm, deep, and smooth as a midnight breeze on a southern summer night. You take that first sip, and the world just eases back. Time stretches, breath softens, and suddenly everything feels a whole lot sweeter. You take that first sip, and the world just eases back. Time stretches, breath softens, and suddenly everything feels a whole lot sweeter.
So what's really cool is one of the big notes for Michael from last time was that there wasn't enough, in my view, of this old version has such a sleepy quality to it, which I attributed largely to the learning of the accent in many ways. And in listening to the new version, the energy shift is so apparent and stark that it's just kind of cool to go back and forth and hear the differences, because I feel like, Michael, you took the note really, really well in terms of the specific note that I was driving home was that the accent was taking center stage and some of the images were getting left behind, like the fact of the summer night and what each of the sensations means to you, the consumer of this whiskey, and things like that, like the actual sensorial experiences were getting buried a little bit, in my view, by the accent. And this new version is really cool because you're taking that note really, really well and really, really far, which is wonderful, because oftentimes what happens when people receive notes, myself included, we'll sort of inch towards it rather than leaping to the end of something and just diving headfirst at it. And that's a really good skill to have. So, for example, if someone says, hey, let's do this with a little bit more energy, I might go from, come a little bit closer now to, come a little bit closer now. But that's not really a big difference. You've really dialed it up in a significant way, which is good. Because it's always easier to pull back than it is to push further and further by inches. So if that makes sense. Let's listen to the last little bit back and forth, and then we'll talk a bit more.
Each blend crafted with patience, each bottle a promise of pleasure, balanced by hands that know how to take their time. So go on, open your senses, let that warmth roll through you. Fuse whiskey, the leader in the luxury blend, for those who enjoy life one slow sip at a time. Each blend crafted with patience, each bottle a promise of pleasure, balanced by hands that know how to take their time. So go on, open your senses, let that warmth roll through you. Fuse whiskey, the leader in the luxury blend, for those who enjoy life one slow sip at a time.
Yeah, I think it's really good to hear you pushing the images in a lot of ways. The excitement and energy behind them. Just really, really love that you've gone farther with it rather than inching. Because what I feel like the sweet spot for this ad would be somewhat a middle ground between the two, because the energy and excitement and the clarity of the images, because another note that we had for Michael was the accent was getting a little bit overly slurred and a little bit unintelligible at times. And the clarity of this second take is wonderful. We can hear everything. Every image is super clear. But the forward-leaning enthusiasm and energy behind it, I feel like if we had a balance between this sort of slow, sweet aloofness of this guy and the clarity, excitement, and forward-leaning images and very focused image of this guy, if we met in a middle ground between the two, I think that would be, in terms of the energy of delivery, the projection, and things like that, I think that would be the balancing point for me personally, if we were to really nail it down. The thing that I would love to hear now, if I were to direct you further in this, would be to tie these phrases together a little bit more fluidly, perhaps. A lot of commercials will have like choppy phrases like this where, let's listen to a little bit and I'll pull it out.
You take that first sip and the world just eases back.
So like that. You take that first sip and the world just eases back. Right now we've split that into 3 phrases here. You take that first sip, pause, and the world just, pause, eases back. When in practice, it would be it would be ideal if we could tie them together fluidly as such.
You take that first sip and the world just eases back.
So that's choppy because I've just arbitrarily edited it, but we can tie those images and phrases together rather than cutting them up. And I think that will help the overall fluidity of the spot. And sometimes ads in their scripts will have things split up, like that might have been 3 separate lines. You take that first sip and the world just eases up. Maybe it has that split up. And you can play with how you connect things, but the main key is you want to keep that flow through it. That's somewhat a vocal training thing and a voice and speech training thing. It takes a while to nail that down, but right now, one of your symptoms here is a lot of your phrases go in that choppy fashion.
Each blend, crafted with patience. Each bottle, a promise.
Each blend, crafted with patience. Each bottle, done with this other thing. Presented really well. You're doing concepts that I talk about all the time, like this thing over here, it's done this way. This thing over here, it's done this way. So in terms of your, which was another note that you're taking really well, the pitch variety, the music in your voice is really, really interesting. You're adding a lot of different, as I say, topography there. It's going up, down, shifting, and it's adding a lot of interest to the listening experience. But tying them together is not mutually exclusive. So rather than each blend, what is it?
Crafted with patience.
Crafted with patience. Each blend, crafted with patience. You can go, each blend, crafted with patience. Or each blend, crafted with patience. Whatever, however you wanted to do it, if that's the way you choose to do it. But yeah, great job taking all of the notes here. So again, to summarize, I think the adding of extra energy, enthusiasm, clarity on the images, allowing yourself to see the images, all really well executed. Adding extra musicality to your voice is wonderful. We were worried a little bit about the monotone nature of the accent from take one. But in this take two, all working really well, and then just maybe energetically marrying the two, as well as adding a little bit more fluidity to the thing. Because right now, the enthusiasm of this, while good, I don't know that it necessarily fits with this type of a brand thing. So while your first take was very sleepy, very in this vibe of Southern comfort, Southern luxury, the first one shifts a little bit too far into the high energy zone, and we can just meet a balance. And I think that would be good tonally. Awesome work. Really cool to be able to go through an A-B comparison, see how you're adjusting. Really, really enjoy that. For everybody else, if this is something that you'd like to see more of and would be helpful, let me know. And we can maybe try to build this into the native subscriber feedback model, which might be interesting because I want to make sure that everybody's in the queue is treated fairly with respect to, and everybody who's got a booth buddy thing. Anyway, if you've got ideas on all of that, let me know. I just want to make sure that it feels fair to our community here, but I think it's a cool idea. Anyway, until the next one of these, be well, everybody, and I'll see you there. If you're into audiobooks, keep your eye out for my audiobook course, which will be coming out in a few weeks here, I believe. Anyway, toodles. Appreciate you all.